y'all, it's your girl Mercedes here, back with another video. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you are a returning subscriber, hey fam, what's up? If you are new and tuning in for the first time, welcome to my channel where we talk about hair, food, and dabble in a little bit of fun. Please be sure to like, comment, and also subscribe down below so you don't miss out on any of the content that I upload. Also make sure to follow me on Instagram at _MercedesShante. Alright guys, let's get into the video. Alright you guys, so today is glorious wash day. If you saw my previous video, you know that my hair is beautifully pre-pooed with rice water and aloe vera juice. It has been sitting overnight, and now we are going to go through our wash day routine. So the products I will be using for this wash day is from Camille Rose. So Camille Rose is a black woman owned beauty line. She has hair, body, face, all the things. So that's what we are going to be using today. So I'm going to walk through the products that will be used in this wash day routine. Strengthen Restorative Deep Conditioner with Yukuba and Ghee Butter. So I saw her Instagram do a sneak peek of a product line that's coming back out, and it was this product. It was featured once in a curl box. Now she has added it to her signature collection, so I'm super excited to try this. Also, as far as deep conditioner goes, I haven't seen many, if all any, with Yukuba and Ghee Butter in it. It's supposed to help to penetrate, moisturize, and soften the hair strands and hair shaft, so I'm super excited to try this product. And then for leave-in conditioner, I am trying her signature Curl Love Moisture Milk. As you can see, I'm pretty much almost out of this bottle, so y'all know it's good. It's rice milk and macadamia oil. Alright, and so this leave-in is super good. It's really conditioning, has light notes of macadamia nut and vanilla. And then for styling, I'm going to be using the brown butter melt. This stuff is just, it's just delicious. It's a mandarin oil hair balm, but it's used to nourish, shine, and hold your styles in place. So you can use this for a twist out or a braid out. So I'm going to be using this for a twist out today. And then also, because you know my channel, we are all about the growth, honey. Like, we need our hair to grow. That is the aim here. So I'm going to finish up by putting on a little bit of oil. So this is her Cocoa Nibs and Honey Ultimate Growth Serum. There you go. So it's a healing oil blend crafted to combat thinning and hair breakage. So that is pretty much what I have going on with my hair. So that is what the products that we are going to be using for the wash day. So I'm actually going to shampoo and condition my hair and then get back with you guys, and then we're going to go through the other products because y'all learn a lot in my shower. Okay, that is a private place, excuse me. Okay, so I will get back to you guys after I'm done shampooing and conditioning my hair, and then we'll go through the rest of the process. All right, bye guys. All right, you guys, I am back. Hair is washed and conditioned. So let's go ahead and get started with the deep conditioner. So as mentioned previously, we are going to be using the Signature Collection Strength Restorative Deep Conditioner. This is Yukuba and Ghee Butter. And let's kind of just read the back to see what they got to say about this thing. So the restorative deep conditioner is enriched with wild harvested Yukuba and Ghee Butter, created to penetrate, moisturize, and soften all hair textures. Pupau fruits and juices of aloe vera. I told you, aloe vera and everything. Contributes to this blend by replenishing nourishment and shine to depleted strands. So we are going to now go in. Let's smell this. Smells kind of like a jasmine white tea. Smells good. So here is the consistency. Pretty nice, creamy. This is probably the creamiest I've ever had a deep conditioner. Usually they're a little bit thicker, and they usually come in a a jar. So this is a little bit different. It's a little lighter, which is fine because my hair is very thin and fine. So I usually like a little bit of lighter in my products. So let's get started and put this in our hair. Okay, so I have the deep conditioner all in my hair. My initial thoughts of this product is it smells so good. It has fantastic slip, and my hair really goes in it well. It really is working with my hair strands, and so I have really high hopes for this product. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a cap on and sit under the dryer for about 45 minutes and then come back, and then we'll see how my hair is looking then. All right, I'll see you guys in about 45 minutes. All right, you guys, so I am back. The deep conditioner has been sitting on my hair for about 45 minutes under the dryer. So let's check it out. Oh, my hair feels so soft. Oh, wow. That feels amazing. So my thoughts on this deep conditioner is that it's bomb. My hair feels soft, it feels moisturized, it smells good. It's amazing. So now what we're going to do is I'm going to wash out this conditioner, and then we are going to use the leave-in conditioner, the brown butter twisting, and put in some oil. Okay? All right, see you in a sec. Alright guys, so this is how my hair looks after the deep conditioner has been rinsed out. Now we are going to go in with our leave-in conditioner, our brown butter melt, and then also finish with some oil. So let's get into it. Alright you guys, so that is the end of my wash day. My hair is washed, conditioned, deep conditioned, leave-in conditioned, okay, styled, and all the things, and it just came out so great. My hair feels so good. I love Camille Rose products. I will link all of the products in the description box down below, so feel free to peruse and check the products out. Please remember to subscribe down below so you don't miss any of the content that I upload coming up. So thank you guys. Have a wonderful rest of your wash day.